Hi, welcome to Moody Blooms. I'm Mary Ellen, and today I'm so excited to show you about these non-toxic cleaning supplies that I learned about from Truman's. And they're going to help you reduce waste, they're going to help you save some space in your home, and they're also going to help you reduce the chemicals that you use to clean your home. Now let's get started and open up this box. So when you open up your box, you're going to see your instructions right here. Make sure you go ahead and read those. And it basically says to fill up your water, put the cartridge in, and then insert the sprayer and twist and shout is what it put on there. So here are your 4 cleaning solutions. You're going to continue to use these bottles, and then you'll just need to refill the cartridges. So you'll be saving so much waste. Imagine how many bottles a year that you actually throw into your trash once your cleaners are, finished. There's already so much pollution in the ocean and in landfills. So this is a way that we can do our part to reduce some of the waste that's here. Fill your water bottle right to the line, noted right about here. We're going to go ahead and put these together. So the first thing you want to do is, again, make sure your water is filled up to the water line on the neck of the bottle, and then grab your refill concentrate. Go ahead and place the bottle right side up into the neck of the bottle. And the little lip will catch it from going all the way through. Then grab your sprayer, insert it through the hole, and then twist. And as you can see, the solution will start coming into the water bottle. How cool is that? Splashing right through. Very cool. So you have your glass all ready to go. Now let's move on to our kitchen cleaner, which is the green. Pop it into the neck, insert the sprayer. You get the idea. And magically your solution will come into the bottle. There we go. If you don't see it coming out, make sure you really tighten it, and then it'll start releasing the solution into the bottle. Very cool. Okay, next we have the shower solution. Set that in. And you have a spray and a stream option on the nozzle as well, so that's pretty cool. And then look at that solution come right in. Last is our floor solution. There you have it, all 4 of our non-toxic biodegradable cleaning solutions, and these are all made in the USA, and I'll be sure to put a link down below if you want to order these products. I'm really excited about this particular company because we can all do our part in reducing the waste and that goes out to landfills and especially to the beautiful ocean. So, but these are really cool. I'm excited to try them out. It's a really mild scent, which is nice. It's not too overpowering. You have the option of the spray or the stream setting, so I'm going to go ahead and use spray for the window. Looks good. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to share this new product with you from Truman's. I think it's really going to change the way that we clean our homes. Instead of throwing away that glass cleaner, all you would need to do is order a new cartridge, which is biodegradable, by the way, and you continue to use the same plastic. I think it's huge that it's going to drive down the fossil fuels that the cleaning industry uses, as well as the amount of plastic that we use. That's huge, and I'm really excited about that. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave any comments if you have them down below. And we hope to see you next time on Moody Blooms.